No. Seoul is stable. What is truly stable in this world? Hello, welcome back to my channel. Let me close the window because construction is out here making noise. What's the situation? The situation is I am supposed to be moving to Seoul basically 1 month from now, literally 30 days from now. And the reason I'm going to Seoul is to start my... This needs a lot of focus and concentration. The reason I'm going to Seoul is to start my master's program at my university in Seoul. Though I am excited, though I look forward to this new chapter, leaving Daejeon is a little hard. Like, no, it's not actually hard. I'm sad to be leaving my friends and the comfort of this community I have here in Daejeon. However, moving to Seoul, big things popping. I'm moving to the big city. We came from the not the countryside, but you know, we came from the city and now we're going to the big city. So it's exciting. One thing about this experience, however, that is a little less exciting is some of the technical stuff I have to deal with, including, but not limited to, my dorm. You know, living in a dorm, you know, everyone has to do it at some point, I guess, if you like study abroad, but living in a Korean dorm, it always comes with its own challenges. And though this dorm has been like a nice, you know, not terrible experience, my next dorm, I don't know if I'll be so lucky. I don't know, because the big issue, the one that I just can't justify this one. I can't get past it. We have a curfew. I'm grown. I'm a grown adult. I'm a grown woman. I may not look like it with my scrunchie and my big little cheeks, but I'm a grown woman. I'm doing a master's. I have no business having a curfew. Basically today I'm going to Seoul, which is about a 2-hour bus ride away. I am going to go check out some apartments, basically like 2 apartments. Spoken to these people online, so you know they're legit. Hopefully I'm going to find the place I want to live. Some schools have accommodations that are much more preferable, I think, to mature students. I'm not that mature, but you know, every school has a different offering for their people. Some schools also have scholarships for the dorms. My school has that because on this scholarship I don't have that much disposable income and I have just enough basically to survive. So, oh, I'm sorry, I'm also getting ready at the same time, so I'm doing my makeup. Okay, brain, use your... Wait, first I have to check the weather. These Korean summers are not it. They are not it. 30. Okay, well, we will do minimal makeup. Even though I'm wearing a mask, I still want, you know, my eyes to peep in through. We're going to Seoul. You gotta look cute in Seoul. Staying in the dorm is actually a lot more preferable financially for me. However, I just wanted to see what was out there, see what my options were. And there are not many, especially because I don't have deposit money. Deposit money is kind of the big thing. If you have a few extra $1,000 laying around, you might be able to acquire an apartment for yourself in Korea. But if you are like me, who received the scholarship kind of by surprise because no one told her she was going to receive the scholarship till it was like too late. And if I had known I would be getting the scholarship, I would have saved up a lot more money beforehand, specifically like more for emergency purposes because I don't have that much emergency money. So God bless. Hopefully nothing ever happens. Also because I would have loved to save up a deposit to pay for an actual apartment. A lot of Koreans take out loans for these. I don't have that option. I'm just a little girl from Canada who has no money. So we just gotta make do. Anyways, to tell you about these 2 places that I found, I've basically found them looking through Facebook groups and Craigslist. So if anything, this video can serve as good evidence if needed. One of them is in Itaewon, one of them is in Hongdae. I don't want to literally live in either location. Well, actually, I wouldn't mind living in Itaewon, but I don't want to live in Hongdae. I just feel like that's messy. Living in Hongdae, I'm gonna belong to the streets, probably gonna be in Hongdae every night. Like, it's just, I don't think that's a very healthy balance to have. I think the healthiest relationship is one with distance, and that certainly is the case for Hongdae. So I think living in Itaewon would be nice because there's like a huge artistic community there, and yeah, that's pretty much it. There's foreigners, but I don't really care. Like, and you know, it's a little scary at night in Itaewon because the army guys, they're really out there like causing a ruckus. Please don't hate me for saying that, but it's the truth, okay? That's why y'all had a curfew. Unless God intervenes in the last minute, which we always have time for that. We always have time for God's intervention. It's not looking likely that I will be living there. My budget is, like, ideally I would be spending 300,000 won plus, like, I can allow plus utilities. So with that said, I'm gonna hopefully get to Seoul around like 4:30, 5 o'clock, and then do a little shopping because I wanted to get a few things, and then check out those places, and then take the bus and skedaddle back to Daejeon, corona free, hopefully. And I have class tomorrow, so you know, we gotta make this in and out. I don't know why I packed up my makeup, like I'm not even halfway done. I'm just gonna do a little quick cleanup, finish getting clothes on, because like a Zoom meeting, you don't know what I got under here. And then I'm gonna go get in the cab and go to Seoul, and you will see a montage of me going to Seoul and doing the Seoul things. See you later. Bye! Okay, so I just finished the apartment tour in Hongdae, and number one, this place is literally right in the middle of the club area, which, you know, to have me right in the mix is a little scary. You know, I don't know if I can handle that. It is so hot. Oh my god, there's so many bugs. Anyways, the area is okay, not my ideal location, but also the room, like, it was very small, and she was like, you sure you want to live here, coming all the way from your university? And I'm like, I have no choice. The room was a little, not the room, but like the apartment itself was a little dirty, and I was like, sis, what is going on? Why you got so many fruit flies around here? But anyways, I'm gonna go do a little shopping, and then hopefully the Itaewon place is better. You know, I don't hate it. It's not that I particularly want to look like a pilgrim, it just happens. I'm just joking. I'm not doing none of that in this. But I like it. Space you get when you do dress like a pilgrim. And I get it. I really like it. I like it much more than anything else I've tried on here. No lighting, but it's probably for the best because I am sweating so much. That place was on top of a hill, and it was so steep. It was like one of those Korean hills. Jesus Lord, Jesus Lord. She was telling me where the bus stop was, but honestly, I'm just gonna take a taxi to Itaewon, grab some dinner, and then go take the bus back to Daejeon. Both apartments had significant things that were pretty terrible about them. This one is like, I don't know, I feel like it's just a bit too far from the station. I do really like this area though. It is really pretty. There's so much to do and see, which is nice. I don't know, it might be like a little too inconvenient depending on how often I have to go to university. I'm just gonna try to find a taxi now. Bring me home. I'm tired. I just got back to my dorm building. It has been a long day. Yeah, I had like 2 hours on the bus to think about, you know, am I really gonna put myself through these struggles just to, like, you know, live in these subpar places and spend more money than I actually have, or like than compared to living in a dorm. And now I'm kind of leaning towards living in the dorms. So yeah. I'm gonna talk it out with my friends a bit more. I think about it a bit more, but yeah, now I'm like romanticizing the idea of living in the dorms because I'm like, well, maybe it's not that bad. Anyways, that's the end of today. I'm gonna go inside my room, take a shower, and hit the hay. I have class tomorrow morning. I'm really tired. It's been a long day. I've been in 2 cities today, okay? Like, come on. We out here, we traveling, we going places. I'm a businesswoman. I just had a business trip and the business trip was a flop. I got nothing out of it. Actually, I got a cute dress. Oh, cute. Oh my God, there's lipstick on my mask. That's embarrassing. Bye.